What is compound steel grating? Compound steel grating is made of flat steel, bar steel according to a certain distance and cross arrangement, the use of gas welding, welding into the middle after cutting, trimming, polishing, beautiful appearance, and cost-saving advantages. Types of compound steel grating. The compound steel grating is made of high-quality, low-carbon steel and stainless steel. It is a new product developed based on the traditional grating. The compound steel grating has the advantage of high strength, lightweight, good corrosion resistance, and easy installation and maintenance. The types of compound steel grating are as follows. 1. Type A. The bearing bar is welded with flat steel, and the crossbar is a round bar. This type of grating is suitable for flooring, platform, and walkway. 2. Type B. The bearing bar is welded with I-shaped steel, and the crossbar is a round bar. It is suitable for platforms, walkways, stair treads, and other applications where high strength is required. 3. Type C. Here, the bearing bar is welded with angle steel and the crossbar is a round bar. The Type C grating is suitable for platforms, walkways, and other applications where high strength and good anti-slip performance are required. 4. Type D. The bearing bar is welded with I-shaped steel and the crossbar is a serrated bar. It can provide good anti-slip performance and is suitable for stair treads, platforms, and walkways. 5. Type E. The bearing bar is welded with flat steel and the crossbar is a serrated bar. You can usually find this type of grating in sewage treatment plants, power plants, and other industrial areas where good anti-corrosion and anti-slip performance are required. The process flow for compound steel grating. Step 1. Design consultation. 1-2 days. Before the production process begins, our team of experts will consult with you to determine the best design for your project. We take into account the intended use of the final product, the dimensions and weight of the load, the environment in which it will be used, and any other relevant factors. This ensures that your steel gratings will be up to the task and will last for years to come. Step 2. Preparing raw materials. 1-2 days. Step 3. Welding of steel gratings. 5 days. Step 4. Cutting and trimming. 3 days. Step 5. Banding of steel grating. Optional. 3 days. Step 6. Surface treatment. 3 days. Step 7. Quality inspection. 1-2 days. Step 8. Packaging. 1 days. The advantage of our compound steel gratings. It has high strength and can bear heavy loads. Lighter than the traditional grating, making it easy to install and transport. Good corrosion resistance and is not easy to rust. Easy to maintain and clean. It does not require special cleaning agents or solvents.
Transform your project with high-quality steel grating from us. Contact us today to get started.